Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Before starting the video, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos. For the new notification, press the bell icon. So let's see. It's a answer key of ESIC staff nurse exam that was conducted in 26 February 2019. These are the memory based questions, not a original copy of exam. So let's see. Question number first. Total period of one cardiac cycle is. Correct answer is C, 0.8 second. 0.8 second is the total period of one cardiac cycle. Next is preterm baby is the baby that born before completion of the. Answer is C, 37 weeks of gestation. Preterm baby is the baby that born before the completion of the 37 weeks of gestation. Next question. Jelly concurrent stool is seen in which condition? Right answer is D. Intussusception. Intussusception is the type of Crohn's disease, and jelly concurrent stool is also seen in the irritable bowel syndrome, but there is no option of irritable bowel syndrome. So correct answer is D. Intussusception. Jelly concurrent stool is seen in the intussusception or in Crohn's disease. Next question. Genital wart caused by which virus? Correct answer is A. HPV or human papilloma virus. HPV caused the genital wart. Next question. In alcohol withdrawal patient, which symptoms is not seen? Answer is C. Euphoria. Rumphits, delirium tremens, amnesia. These are the symptoms of alcohol withdrawal patient. And euphoria is not seen in the alcohol withdrawal patient. Euphoria means the experience or effect of pleasure or excitement, an intense feeling of well-being and happiness. Next question. Which medicine help to treat bulimia nervosa? Answer is fluoxetine or Prozac. Fluoxetine or Prozac is a SSRI antidepressant agent and can help people stop binging and purging when used alone or with CBT. So, fluoxetine medicine is used for the treatment of bulimia nervosa. Next question. Phototherapy is used for treatment of which disease in newborn? Right answer is hyperbilirubinemia. Phototherapy is used in the jaundice, hyperbilirubinemia. Next is, which medication is used for treatment of anaphylactic reaction? Answer is injection epinephrine, that is used by the IV route or intravenous route. Epinephrine is used for the treatment of anaphylactic reaction. Next question. Montague's test 0.1 ml PPD inserted in forearm. Montague's test is considered as positive when diameter of induration erythema is. Answer is C, 5 to 10 mm. It will show positive when the diameter of induration is exceeding 10 mm. So correct answer is C, 5 to 10 mm. Next question. Good Apgar score is. Answer is 8 to 10. Good Apgar score is numbering is 8 to 10. Next question. Which symptom is not seen in eclampsia? Answer is A, polyuria. Polyuria is not a symptom of eclampsia. Proteinuria, hypertension and edema, these are the key point symptom of eclampsia. Next question. All are the BPD drugs except. Answer is D, paracetamol. BPD means borderline personality disorder. BPD drugs lithium, valproate, clozapine. These are the drugs that is used in the BPD disorder. Next question. When cannula site is blocked and fluid filled and cause the swelling, as a nurse, what should you do first? Answer is stop the infusion and remove the cannula. Next question. Human milk to be not used. Answer is C, after 48 hours. Human milk to be not used after the 48 hours. Next question. Amniotic fluid is produced by. Answer is maternal plasma. Amniotic fluid is produced by the maternal plasma. When fetal kidneys begin to function in about week 16, Fetal urine also contributes to the fluid, and in earlier times it was believed that the amniotic fluid was composed entirely of the fetal urine. Next is protrusion fluid filled with spinal elements is seen in which condition? Answer is A. Myelomeningocele. It's a type of spina bifida. In this condition, protrusion fluid filled with spinal elements like CSF or cerebrospinal fluid. Next question. Homan's sign is seen in? Answer is DVT. Deep vein thrombosis. Homan's sign is seen in the deep vein thrombosis. Next question. Brudzinski sign is seen in? Answer is meningitis. Brudzinski sign is seen in the meningitis. Brudzinski, Kernig, and axial rigidity is seen in the meningitis. Next question. Immovable joint is also called? Answer is cyanothosis. Cyanothosis is known as the immovable joint. Next is effect of sympathetic nervous system on smooth muscles of bronchus. Answer is bronchodilation. Effects of sympathetic nervous system on smooth muscles of bronchus cause the bronchodilation. Next is what is the sequence of second stage of labor? Answer is descent, then flexion, internal rotation, and crowning. It's a sequence of second stage of labor. Next is Adam's apple is made up from? Answer is A. Thyroid cartilage. Adam's apple is made up from the thyroid cartilage. Next is most evident in the blood. Answer is RBC, erythrocyte. The most evident cell in the blood is erythrocyte, that is accounting for about 40 to 45% of its volume.